Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Please subscribe my channel, like and share my videos. So guys, I just found a 5x5 and 3x3 pyramids cube, a very good combo. So I'm just not gonna waste the time and I'm gonna show you. So this combo, I liked it so much. I'm gonna tell you guys that I don't like stickerless cubes, but this is in a good offer, so I'm gonna buy it, and it is good ratings. So yeah, and I just found out that there will not be pink instead of red. It will be red, and that's the best thing I saw. It was pink. I was like, I kind of don't like pink in Rubik's cubes or any other colors like bright colors. That the sim I like the original colors of Rubik's cube. That's the only thing. So I'm gonna just show you guys the reviews. I just read them. So questions, I always read questions. So I'm just gonna read for you all. Which material is made of nice quality plastic? Okay. The cubes have logo on it? No. Awesome. Made in China? Okay. Is it? And from this I got to know, is it pink instead of red? So currently it is red only. It is currently, and this answer was told 2 years ago. I don't know what I'm gonna get. So reviews. Okay, value of money 4.2 for beginners. Not a beginner actually, so maybe good for me also. Regulant movement 4.1. Okay, movement 4.1. Okay, 4.2 out of 5. Very good. Picture summaries. Why pyramids? Okay, mirror cube 2x2. I'm not right. Okay. So the reviews you see here is of triangle and 2x2. Wait. I saw like this review is for triangle and 2x2 combo, and it says nice combo, very nice combo of 2x2, and pyramids 2x2 was F2, which was super smooth. 2x2 was smooth, and pyramids was a local brand. Wow, pyramids was a local brand, but it was also awesome. See guys, I am buying 2x2, and I'm not buying 2x2, I'm buying pyramids, and pyramids was a local brand. What is this? Okay, I'm just gonna proceed it to buy. So guys, here's the buy button. Okay, buy now. So guys, it just ordered today. So it ordered before the time. That was very good. Like it was meant to be come on Tuesday, and it came today on Sunday. So like it is very good. 2 days before, good. So let's unbox this. So as in coronavirus, I have just sanitized this. So this cost me, as you know, that it cost me $4.99, almost, actually 500. So yeah, that's the receipt. I need it. So it came in a Ziploc bag. See. Oh, good. So this is the 5x5 Rubik's cube. Okay, this is that only. But actually no one reads it, so yeah. So just check it out, and we need to do something, that is wet wipes. So take out your wet wipe and just This is very important. You all have to do it. You can just also sanitize it, but these are cubes, so we have to use wet wipes, right? Okay. So these are stickerless. I don't like stickerless, I said, but still, it's a kind of stiff. Yeah. Oh. These are not that bad actually. Okay, now it's time for 3x3 pyramids. I think I give this a 3 star. Okay, now it's time for the pyramids. Actually, I like that they're given Ziploc bags. Oh, these are like this shifted. Oh my gosh, this is so stiff. I just totally don't like it. Like, I'll show you my one. Just see this. It's so smooth. And yup, like this is a magnetic 3x3 pyramids one, and this is not. I don't know. I didn't saw the magnet one. It is not. Confirmed it is not magnetic. I love doing this. Not that satisfying sound. And it has pink. Okay, 5x5 didn't have it, but pyramids have pink. I don't like that. They have pink instead of red and that all. Oof. And you can see it's so stiff. You just move once. It's stiff. Oh, I forgot something. Wet wipe. And yeah, I have just wiped the sanitizing table also with these wet wipes, as we can clean the table, the surface, and our hands with this wet wipe, but we can't use it on our face. Okay, the top one is good, nice. I prefer that if you want to buy something cheap and you are a beginner, so you can buy it, but I will give this Pyraminx a 2 star. I don't like it. Like this, I will just improve it. It can be 3.5 stars, like that. Okay. I prefer if you want some cheap stuff, so I can have it, but it's not that bad also. If you're a beginner, you can buy this. It's from The Eternal. All the cubes are from The Eternal. This time I was like, I have to buy another company cube, not The Eternal, but this time it was like, it was that in coronavirus, almost all of the cubes were of The Eternal. Like, show you the box of pyramids. See, pyramid. It's Pyraminx. Okay. It's made in China, as The Eternal is a company of China. Okay, it says difficulty 4 star. For me, it's 1 star. And 5x5. Okay. Made in China. Oh my gosh, it says this costs 799, means 800 rupees. And this cost, only this Pyraminx costs what?
499 means in total it costs 1300 rupees, and I got it for 500. Wow, so much discount. But I think it should be a 400, not a 500.